Good night, teacher and classroom. My name is Edwin Bedoya. I am 30 years old. I am living in the town of Andes, Antioquia. I am studying environmental engineer. I can speak on my vacation. I do visited the city of Pereira. On the way to the city of Pereira, you can see beautiful natural landscape, as well as great infrastructure built engineer. On my vacation period, I traveled to Eje Cafetero. I went the Parque Nacional del Café Panaca. In the hot spring of Santa Rosa, I visited of the tourist place of city trasnochadora. The city of Pereira is called Ciudad Trasnochadora. The city of Pereira has multiple tourist places, such as the Simon Bolivar Park, the Cerrito School, and the central art of the city. Recommendation place to visit in the Eje Cafetero. Panaca, an agricultural then part the promoters the interactive of the with natural and domestic zoology. Panaca is a park where can live in forest and domestic animal. Viaducto of city, a build of infrastructure obra is very important in the country. Los termales de Santa Rosa de Cabal. I was born in of Santa Rosa de Cabal. Other recommendation place to visit the historical town of Quimbaya, Cartago to the town of the rivers, y La Virginia, the land of fruits. The Virginia producing the fruits, mango, pineapple, the orange, and the other fruits. Pereira has a very pleasant climate. Invited you to visit La Perla del Otún. The climate of the Pereira is very cool, is very fresh, is very agradable. Is muy recommended and the great to city of visit. Very thanks, teacher and classroom.